and welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing really well. We're going to do a vloggy vlog today. It is May half term and we are booked to do the adventure farm today. So yeah, loads of farm animals, but it's not just any old farm, is it? Like, what else is here? Can you remember?
Like ride a bouncy pillow thing.
Bouncy pillow. Yeah, there's so much. There's like park stuff, there's sand pits, there's go-karts.
That's the music maze.
Music maze. It's also Dino Week as well, so we might see some dinosaurs, which he's very excited for. So yeah, I just thought I would pick up the camera and vlog our day, just because we love watching things like this, don't we? We've got in a bit of a habit lately, especially Alfie and Mia. They really enjoy watching themselves, so yeah, it's just nice to have memories for ourselves. So yeah, so enjoy the farm. Down the slide. Woo! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Hey you delinquent. You rebel. Wow!
That's good, isn't it?
Is that good? Hey poo poo! Alfie! You can't call a dinosaur a poo poo! You monkey!
Now? Yeah.
Wow! Oh wow! Their names are there, aren't they? Oh no, they're not. Sorry. Just says Raptor Ranch. Sorry. This is testing our dinosaur name skills, isn't it?
I've got it.
Wow. Do you want to go say hi? Closer, Alfie. You don't want to?
No.
Are you sure?
I'll say hi.
Do you want to, Mia?
Yeah, maybe.
Do you want to, Alfie? Come on, Betty. Oh, please. Yeah. Oh, that tail's nearly got me. Come on. Don't want to. Even if Mummy does it with you. You sure? Oh, doesn't want to.
Lots of eggs which is guarding, and I need your help to grab one egg each for me and take it to a basket just behind the corner, because they need to
We can do that, can't we?
We need to
Get another one then, Alf. It's okay. It's okay. Just pick it up. It's fine. Pick it up. There we go. There we go. Hold on to that, mate. Well done. Go on then. Put that one back. Oh, he went right into the dinosaur. Well done, Alfie. Oh, well done. Well done.
I think we've got them all, everybody.
Wow, good job. Yeah. Oh, I did bite you. Again. No.
Please. Very good. What's the second move? What do we do now? Backtrack. Very good. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Backtrack. 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 Very good. I think he's getting ready to spin now.
Come on, you. Spaghetti legs. That's it. Do you want to have a go, Alf? Think you might need to put your spades down. Good boy. Brill. Wow, well done. Good try. What's up? No, not for you. It's that one again. That one is very greedy, isn't it?
You're greedy. I'm not giving
Greedy, greedy guts.
Bye bye.
Oh. There we go. Oh, what was that noise?
When I wake up.
Did you like that? You've got very funny eyes, haven't they?
No more.
Just one more bit, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Oh, oh. He means business now.
Gonna spit, Mum.
Oh, he's actually scaring me now. Oh,
What are you gonna do?
oh, I don't like it. Come on, let's go. Hold that hand out nice and flat.
I need some hand.
Yay!
Isn't it funny?
Is that good? Yeah, I told you. Left a bit in my hands.
Baby one. See? Now?
Pardon? The baby ones? Okay, so we go see the baby one. No, you don't eat it, you nutcase. Right, we are going home now. We've had a really, really nice day. Have you had a nice day, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alfie's absolutely shattered. We've been there nearly 7 hours, so really, really long day. Got our money's worth. Really nice place to come to. It's called the Adventure Farm and it is in Burton-on-Trent in Staffordshire. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.